Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Nitecore tube. This is a new flashlight from Nitecore. It's a 45 lumen keychain flashlight. It's pretty good actually. I've been pretty happy with it really. I'm just going to show you guys the packaging that it comes with. Alright, so 45 lumens on max brightness. On low it is 1 lumen, so that's as low as it can go. Bring it in a little closer to show you. Alright, on high it goes for 1 hour, on low it goes for 48 hours. 48 hours for a keychain flashlight on low. That's pretty cool, I reckon. And it's rechargeable. So you never need to worry about replacing the batteries or anything. It's your standard 1.5 meters drop. What do they call it? Impact resistance. Down here it says water resistant, which it is, and I've been riding my mountain bike out in the rain with this on my jeans. I normally keep it on this keychain with my Swiss Army knife, my mini Swiss Army knife. I normally keep it on like this, and then I just keep this on my belt loop on my jeans or on my shorts. So I normally carry those both on the same keychain. But yeah, like I said, I've been out in the rain with this and it's held up pretty well. I've had no issues with it. So I'll continue on by going over the packaging. So as you can see right here, it says IP65 dust and water resistant, which you can pretty much submerge it in water and it doesn't even do anything. But yeah, I've actually put it in water before, in a cup of water, and it hasn't done anything. So maybe eventually water will leak into it, but say if you're just using this out in the rain, you'll probably have no problems with it. As I said before, I've been out in the rain with it and I've had no problems with it, so you shouldn't either. It comes in these colours. It comes in pink, green, black, which is the one that I got. It comes in a blue and then a clear. So that one over there is not clear. That's actually, I mean, that one's not black. It's actually clear. So that's the standard packaging it comes with. I just cut it out through the side because I'm weird and I like to keep packaging. So as you can see up here, I keep my flashlight box. I don't know why. I just like to anyways. So that's the packaging. So here's the flashlight. I'll zoom right in to show you guys properly what this flashlight's all about. So as you can see on the front, it says Nitecore. You got your button and you got your LED light. Now this LED light is it's not a Cree, it's like one of those normal LEDs, but it's actually good because it has like a wide angle. I think it says on the website like up to like 100 degrees or something like that of light, so it spreads out like quite far. So it comes with these two key rings. Just zoom in once again to show you guys properly. It comes with these key rings. Comes with both of them. This can stand up to like 35 kilograms of like pulling, so that's pretty good. I've like pulled it like I'm doing right now, and it's just, it doesn't even creak or anything. It's like really sturdy, so it's not gonna snap off of your keychain or anything. There's 4 screws holding the case together. As you can see here, it says tube, which is the Nitecore tube, obviously. Got your LED at the front. Nothing else at the front, nothing too special there. You can kind of see in it. I'll try and shine a light inside to show you. And you can't really see too well in there, but you get a rough idea. Here is where the battery is, and at the front of it is all the circuitry. So that's the rechargeable battery there. It's got the rechargeable mini USB right here. This thing can be a pain in the ass to get out sometimes. I'll try and do it to show you guys. I'll actually plug it in and show you. So it's got this little rubber thing. Then you got your micro USB there. I'll just use my power bank over here. Alright, got my power bank here. I've done a review on that, so you guys can check it out if you feel like you want to. Alright, so let me just try and get it in the right way. Alright. This little flap, as you can see, I'm actually having trouble trying to plug it in. This thing can be a pain in the ass to get out and to plug this in, which I'm trying to, which I do not seem to know which way it goes in. There we go. Alright, so right here you can see that it lights up. You cannot use the flashlight at all while it's charging, so it doesn't do anything at all, so you can't use it. But yeah, that light just stays glowing, and once it's charged, that light will turn off. Okay, then once it's charged, when the light's off, simply just unplug it, close this little rubber flap to keep it water resistant. Alright, now I'll go through the modes and I'll show you guys. You can have momentary on by holding it down, and that's at max 45 lumens by holding it down, and then as soon as you let go, it's off. On, off, on, off, just like that. Then you click once, then you have your 1 lumen, and then you quickly click twice, and then that goes to your max 45 lumens. And as you can see, I'm not holding the button here, so it's just staying lit. This is a very bright keychain light for a keychain. This is one of the brightest ones I've came across. So at the end of this video, I'll show you guys beam shots of it outside. It's nothing too exciting, but I'll head out there later and show you guys just what it's like out in the woods. You can, when you turn it on, you can hold it and then it ramps up the brightness. As you can see, I'm not doing anything but holding the button, and it's slowly getting brighter and brighter, just like that. And then you can let go once you want it on to that certain brightness, and then just let go and it will stay on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the overview and the modes. I'll show you guys the beam shots outside. Alright guys, we're outside now with the Nitecore tube. Just gonna show you guys, I know it's only a keychain flashlight, but I do think it's worth just showing you guys the brightnesses of it. This one you can't even really see, so I'm just gonna max it out by click again. So if this is what all you were left with out in the bush without a proper flashlight, and you just have the Nitecore tube, I do believe that you would get out quite fine. It's got quite long battery life. It's very bright. I believe 45 lumens. Probably I said that before, but yeah. There's nothing really much to show about this outside, being it is just a keychain flashlight. You're not going to get any crazy distance out of it, but you can tell there that's pretty good. if you're like looking around the ground trying to find something, you're going to easily be able to find it. It's just very tiny. Oh, these little flies are attacking me. Bring you guys back into focus. So yeah, that's about it for the Nitecore tube. Alright guys, appreciate you watching my videos. Please don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Really helps me out. And yeah, that's about it for the Nitecore tube. Alright, cheers guys.